Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your private keys with Robinhood detailed guide step by step clearly. To secure your private keys with Robinhood, start by logging into your Robinhood account. Ensure you have enabled two-factor authentication for added security. Navigate to your account settings by tapping on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Select the security option from the settings menu. Under the security section, find the option for private keys. Robinhood does not allow users to generate or hold private keys. Instead, focus on securing your account and managing access effectively. Regularly monitor your account for any unauthorized transactions. Consider using a secure password manager to store your passwords. Be cautious of phishing attempts and avoid clicking on suspicious links. Always log into Robinhood directly through their official app or website, not through third-party links. Set strong and unique passwords for your Robinhood account. Periodically update your password to maintain security. Use biometric authentication features if available on your device. Keep your device's operating system and applications up to date to protect against vulnerabilities. If you're accessing your account on a public network, use a virtual private network (VPN) for added security. Review your account's activity regularly to identify any unusual behavior. If you suspect any suspicious activity, contact Robinhood support immediately. By following these steps, you can help ensure your private keys and account remain secure while using Robinhood. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.